This is going to be an LCD screen replacement from laptopscreens.com. It's a G62-455DX HP-Compaq. To make it shorter and simple, I've already removed the screws. There are two screws kind of hidden down here in the lower corners. Kind of a pain to get out, but once you get those out, simply pry the screen. It's got some sticky tape here, but pry the screen cover off very gently to not break it. Set that aside. After that, there will be screws in the upper corners here, and then on the sides there will be two screws on the bottom and two screws on the top. Once you remove those screws from the brackets, the screen should kind of come out. You set that screen down, take the tape off here, and then give it a little pull, and it should come disconnected very simply. Remove this screen, the old screen, set that aside. Take your new screen from laptopscreen.com, make sure it matches up, which it does. We're going to remove the tape from it. Just set that aside. I'm going to set it down ever so gently. And what we're going to do is we're going to simply reconnect it. Be really careful when you reconnect it, and when you reconnect it, to know that it's fully connected. It'll make a little click noise. That, a little click. We're going to put the tape back down, make sure that it stays connected. Simply put this back in place. And then you replace all the screws that you previously took out. Replace the cover and the screws that you took out before. And that would be your screen replacement.